Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. In this video I want to introduce you my product. This is a CDI module. This is a single channel CDI module for engines with single ignition coil, and I will demonstrate this first, and then I will explain everything about this CDI module. Okay, I have prepared this setup. I will just connect this module to the system here. Okay, here I have prepared high voltage capacitors. As usual, I use this 220 picofarad capacitor with a voltage rating of 20 kilovolt, and I have prepared several of them. This one is 220 picofarad, and this one is connected in parallel to capacitors. So this one has 440 picofarad, and here I have 3 capacitors connected in parallel. So this one has 660 picofarad, and I also have these 4 capacitors connected in parallel. So this one has 880 picofarad. Okay, I'm going to explain the setup first. Okay, I have here 2 identical coils. I have 2 identical spark plugs, and here I have my igniter, and this igniter will be powered by the 12 volt battery. Okay, this left ignition coil will be powered directly using igniter box. It means it will be powered directly with a 12 volt battery, and this one, the right one, it will be powered by the CDI module. Okay, and then I will adjust the frequency, and then I will connect these capacitors on the left spark plug and on the right spark plug, and then we can see the difference. Okay, now I'm going to connect the power cable. The ignition module is on. Now I'm going to turn on the igniter. Okay, I'm going to adjust the frequency. Now I'm going to connect this 220 picofarad capacitor first to the left side, and then to the right spark plug. Okay, now I'm going to connect this capacitors, and to the one with CDI. And now this one, and to the right one with CDI. And now this one, first to the left spark plug, and to the right spark plug. I'm going to adjust again the frequency. Again, connect this capacitor to the left spark plug, and to the right spark plug. Okay, now you can see the difference between the non-CDI and the CDI sparks. Okay, the module looks like this. I'll turn on the light. Okay. This module can be used for point contact ignition, like this. reluctor like this. Okay, or directly with ECU signal or ICM or ignition control module or TCI or transistor controlled ignition, and the voltage of this capacitor at 10-volt battery voltage is 285 volt, and at 15 volt we have 480 volt on this capacitor. Okay, and I have tested this module until 18 volts without any problem. Okay, now I'm going to show you the PCB. Okay, this is the PCB. Okay, and the casing will look like this, and this is the one for that module. Okay, so if you have if you are interested in this, just contact me. What else? Okay, for your information, the other CDI modules, I mean with wasted spark system or dual channel ignition and multi-channel module is on the way, so it should be ready in, I don't know, 3 until 1 month, and I think I will make a video if they are ready. Okay, I think that's it for now. Again, this is the module, and thank you for watching. Until next video, bye bye.